Hi, I'm John Forro from AVI. I want to share with you a very interesting training class that we have coming up Saturday, April 9th, 2022 in beautiful Fort Myers, Florida. My question I have for everyone is, are you ready to take your diagnostic skills to the legendary status? If so, you want to make sure you join us at Legendary Automotive in Fort Myers, Florida. We're going to be talking about a diagnostic mindset. It's an all-day training event. Engine performance is something that I kind of pride myself on. We're going to go over a whole plethora of different types of diagnostic testing strategies, and we're going to be using a lot of thinking outside of the box tests. It's going to be unlike any other training class you've ever attended, and also we're going to talk about taking a common sense approach when faced with multiple problems on a vehicle. So I look forward to seeing each and every one of you guys at our upcoming training event. And again, it's Saturday, April 9th, 2022 at Legendary Automotive in beautiful Fort Myers, Florida.